In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp into Monday.com. This process will seamlessly connect your WhatsApp communication with your Monday.com workspace, making collaboration effortlessly efficient. Let's dive right in. Firstly, head over to the Monday.com website. Once there, look for the login option, typically found in the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This will bring you to the login page. To log in, click on the Google option and select the Google account associated with your Monday.com account. Once you've successfully logged in and reached your workspace, locate the Marketplace icon. It's usually placed at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on Marketplace will lead you to Monday.com's extensive catalog of apps and integrations. Now, we need to search for the relevant integration. In the search bar provided in the Marketplace, type in WhatsApp. This search will display a list of related apps and services. Here, you'll want to find and click on the option labeled WhatsApp Integrator. After clicking on the WhatsApp Integrator, you'll see a page describing what the integration offers. On this page, there should be an option to install the app. Click on Install App, and you'll be prompted to select which workspace you'd like to integrate WhatsApp with. Choose the appropriate workspace from the list of available options, based on where you want this integration to be active. After selecting your workspace, click on Install to initiate the integration process. Now, select the board within your workspace that you want to link with WhatsApp. This integration will enable communication directly tied to this board, streamlining updates and interactions. Once you've chosen your board, click on Add App. This step allows you to select or create an automated template to trigger the connection between WhatsApp and Monday.com. Templates help automate actions and updates, saving time and reducing manual effort. Finally, click on Create Automation. This will guide you through connecting your WhatsApp account to the automation system. It's a straightforward process. Simply follow the prompts to complete the connection. And there you have it, a fully integrated WhatsApp system within your Monday.com environment. This setup allows you to send and receive WhatsApp messages while keeping all related work efforts centralized in one platform. With every step covered, you're now ready to enjoy seamless communication and enhanced productivity. So whether you're managing team projects or tracking client interactions, this integration ensures that your workflow is always connected, current, and efficient. Enjoy the newfound synergy between your favorite messaging app and workspace.